for the best, putting Nigerians into consideration. There are 4 notable vaccines. The least potent of these 4 is the one Nigerian government imported. This same one imported by the Nigerian government have the worst side effects. I am not saying Nigerians should not take the vaccine, and I'm not against Nigerians taking the vaccines. But what I'm saying in essence is that there are 4 notable vaccines that are approved by the World Health Organization. That is the AstraZeneca from India, the one Nigerian government imported. We have Pfizer, we have 2 others, Johnson & Johnson. But what I'm saying that out of the 4, the least potent of these 4 is the one Nigerian government imported. What I'm saying is that Nigerians deserve the best. Federal government must carry out what I call citizen diplomacy. They must show that they love their citizens and desire the best for their citizens. If you go through, for example, the aggregate of these 4 vaccines, Johnson & Johnson is better than what they have brought. Pfizer is also better. So if you look at the what they call the total trial effectiveness of these vaccines, you find out that this AstraZeneca is 62%. 62% 14 days after second dose. While if you go and see Pfizer, it's 95%. 28 days after the second dose. And again, Moderna is 94%. While Johnson & Johnson is about 70%. So what I'm saying is that the one the Nigerian government imported is the one with the least potency of effectiveness. Then if you also look at the side effects, this same one imported by the Nigerian government have the worst side effects. The side effects include pain, headache, tiredness, muscle ache, fever, chills, joint ache, nausea. With all these side effects, if it manifests in one person, it's even worse than COVID itself. So what I'm saying in essence is that the Nigerian government did not go for the best, putting Nigerians into consideration. And with the budget the central bank made available for this vaccine, 300 billion, it is outrageously calamitous. It is very, very unfair of them to have gone for the one with the least. And anything produced in India, you cannot compare it to what is produced in America or the United Kingdom. You can't compare Pfizer, Moderna, and to this made in India drug that the federal government imported. I think they just took us with some level of. So what I'm saying in essence is that they didn't go for the best. It is not a way of discouraging people from taking the vaccine. It is not a way of saying I'm against taking the vaccine. It is not. No. I'm not saying that. I bought kits for people in Kogi State and across the country. I spend money to get face masks and all this for people. I wear face masks myself. So I believe in the existence of the virus. But what I'm saying in essence is that it has been monetized. People are making business out of it, and I did not see the patriotic nature that is expected of federal government in protecting our citizens. If you have a drug that have least potency, and you let those who have higher potency, one with effectiveness of 94% is there, one with effectiveness of 95% is there, you decided to go for the one that is having 62%.
Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Please join our family by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon, so anytime when we drop any ogbonge matter for this channel, you go get notified. Thank you so much. I love you all. So my correct people, una no vex say I no fair welcome una for the beginning. I just dropped that video for una, make una watch, make una see the kind of country where una get, make una see the kind of wicked and heartless leaders wey una get. Una hear the kind of amount wey they call, wey they take go carry that yeye vaccine come. Una hear the amount, or na my ear dey pain me, my ear no dey pain me before. Una hear am correct abi? So my correct people, with that kind big money wey they take go carry that vaccine, they supposed to use and go carry the one wey be say e dey kpai people. They supposed to use and go carry the one wey be say people go take and finish, hand go dey pay them, headache go dey worry them, everything go dey worry them. Nigeria, why Nigeria? That una country una dey call Nigeria, why e be like this? Why this country be, why e be say Nigeria never do anything good come out before? Now so anything wey they do na bad thing, because na bad leaders now una get for that una country wey be Nigeria. I wish say una get leaders wey care for una, that una leaders go dey go for the best for una. E must go for the best for the people wey dey that Nigeria. Now all this kind thing na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey fight for. You no want many people dey witness all this kind useless and heartless wicked things for Nigeria. You no want, and I make we dey fight for Biafra, freedom of Biafra. We will be not ask for too much, because all this kind thing will not fit happen for our Biafra land. All this kind useless and heartless people will not get am for our Biafra land. Imagine. Oh God, my correct people, make una be careful for this thing una dey take. Make una be careful. I not tell una not take this thing or but make una be careful. Una not do what una go take for inside. The better day as you take your body take there before than say you go take something wey be say you come worse thing or put sickness, one kind of sickness for your body. My correct people, not me talking. Should not watch the video so where they talking. Me not be like say na Queen Sharon Entertainment mat now na for here, and not be my mat so na another person talking. So my correct people, this kind thing e no good. E no good. Why we say for Nigeria nothing good they come out? Nigeria can never do anything good. Na so bad thing. Evil leaders, na so evil thing that they do. Imagine the kind money where they take go carry this thing come. Still, they still go carry the way be say it the worst thing people body. God, Nigeria, it don't finish. Nigeria go better for this life again. Now for next life. Now if there is anything like that next life, Nigeria, I pray say it go good for una next life, because this is getting too much. After una people go dey pray for una, say na only God go fit save Nigeria. Country wey never help himself, how God want to save them? Not be only who make attempt, now God go save. My correct people, I go see you in my next video. Bye for now.